What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the In the Stone podcast, where your idol stories are written in the stone. My name is Bailey Akot, at I'm very excited to introduce our very special guest, all the way from Taft, best known for his TikTok content, TikTok star, by the way. So it's safe to say that this episode is a day in the life of a college student from DLSU podcast edition. Let's welcome Roscoe Arvina, ladies and gentlemen.
Galing.
Disclaimer lang, first time ko may guest kami na good friend, close friend ko. So, ano ba pag-uusapan natin? Batiin mo muna yung mga kaibigan natin from TikTok and all over the world.
Saan ito papakita? Sa TikTok. Breaking of the fourth wall. Hi everyone. Hi to all the In the Stone viewers. Yeah. Marami tayo pa pag-usapan today, so get ready.
Okay. So I'm gonna treat this as if like I don't know you.
It's a normal conversation.
Yeah, normal
Tapos
conversation.
may chismoso dito.
Oo, ganun. Tayong dalawa lang. So una, galing ka school. Anong year na? Are we graduating soon?
Parang hindi ko pa alam.
Sorry, kunyari hindi ko alam.
Last 2 semesters na lang. So I'll be graduating in like April. If I don't feel anything.
If you don't feel anything. Okay.
Kasi maximum, 40 units na lang eh.
Okay.
So parang I'm 41 units. Maximum units is 21. So I really can't feel anything. Or else I'll have to take an extra semester.
A whole other semester again. Ano yung program na tinitake mo? For those who don't know.
For those who don't know, because Bailey knows. BS Entrepreneurship.
Yeah. So my guy's a future businessman, entrepreneur.
Hopefully. We'll see.
Okay. So I have guide questions here that I will follow.
Perfect.
Na hindi ko nasasagutin. Ikaw nasasagot kasi ikaw yung guest.
Sige.
Okay. So first off, how did this whole content creating start?
It started ng pandemic, 2020. I think I've told this story a bunch of times already. The whole video.
Yeah.
1 million ako. Shinare ko yung story. Pero,
No, I remember that. Na nag-ano ka, tas you shared your whole experience. Pre-pandemic, weren't you posting mga sumasayaw ka pa?
ano siya, started March, May 2020. Hindi, no. Ano nga ba?
Was it early summer of 2020?
April 2020.
Okay. Yeah.
I remember my first video. It was March 31.
Okay.
First video ko yung
Ano pinost mo?
6 piraso po ng egg waffles.
Egg waffles!
Very on brand, diba? Yeah.
Your first video.
First video was uploaded March 31 kasi classes stopped nung March 9. I remember that.
Yeah.
Pandemic.
Lockdown,
Yeah.
March 15.
I had nothing to do. So sabi ko, parang gusto ko gawan ng parang something to look back on when I grow older.
Yeah.
Really not to go famous. Not to, blow up or anything. Just because I wanted to, it to serve like I look like this nung 2020. Ganun. Tapos, I kinda knew also kasi yung repercussions na had to do with it also. Kasi syempre, you would be posting. So, may tendency na people would make fun of you because you wanted to, you posting it on social media. So, marami sasabihin yung mga peers mo. So, syempre, yung nasa isip ko nun, if I actually did better, if I did well, no one would say anything.
Right.
They would just, respect you for doing what you do. So, I searched how to get famous on Facebook, TikTok. So, I searched yung mga ginagawa ng mga sikat na already on TikTok.
At the time, who were you searching?
Yung
Sino lumalabas?
YouTubers lang eh. Mga nagbibigay ng mga quick crash course on how the
Right.
algorithm
Okay,
works.
okay.
Parang meron akong idea on where I should stand and what to do kapag what to do para medyo magkaroon ng traction yung videos. One of them was parang copy videos. And then, hindi directly copy. Change something from a video that already worked.
Right.
So, more chances of getting famous. Or like blowing up.
Yeah.
Ngayon. Tapos, bilis nun. Within like 12 days, I got like 30K followers. First 5 videos. Okay. I was like, if I post 5 videos and then the 5th one doesn't work, hit or miss na yun, I'm gonna stop uploading na. 5th one blew up.
Okay.
So I was like,
What was the 5th one? Yun yung
5th one was a dance tutorial, bro.
dance tutorial? Tinuturo mo.
Wala. Dance lang. Tapos meron text dito. Tapos sabi ko, nakalagay din kasi doon, sinabi sa akin ng isang parang content creator na I was watching. I was like, okay, once you have your first break, you shouldn't stop. You should do a video that would be better than that. Next day comes around, I did that was my first viral video na.
Which
it was,
was?
you know, I'm your type video. Parang, pa-cute.
Basta it's some type of trend.
Oo,
Tapos?
unfortunately. Tapos yun, the next week naman ulit, so yun yung sumasayaw na ako sa bubong. So yun, within like 12 days,
Yeah.
30K. So, like, oh, yun siya. Tapos, after that, rest was history na. Just follow the same formula, rinse and repeat. Iba-ibahin mo. Until I came to a point where I felt like medyo repetitive na yung content. I have to... Kasi, there's a difference. Naging ano na ako.
No, dude, no, this is what you want. No, this is what you want.
Really.
Yeah.
There's this thing kasi na I had the issue. I was getting views,
Okay.
but I wasn't getting personal connection with people.
Okay. So you were getting views but they weren't translating as to followers?
They were translating
Not really.
as followers, pero dumadaan ka lang. Kasi TikTok, ano to technical mind na to
Okay.
TikTok kasi mabilis siya.
Uh-huh.
So that means, yung tatak mo sa tao, mabilis lang rin. You're easily forgotten. So you have to have something na will make people remember you.
Right. And then comes in.
Yun na life.
You're right. Then siya nag-start. What do you recall the first video you made?
It was also a transition Kasi parang noong 2020, I used to do yung mga vlogs.
Pero hindi lang ganung format na ginagawa mo ngayon.
Voice over. I don't know if you remember.
VOs pa siya.
VO siya. Tapos I used to talk really quickly.
Mhm.
That was the pinakamalakas for me. Kasi ayun yung nag-boost talaga ng account ko. Kasi noong 2020, no one was doing anything. Everyone was on their phones. So parang it was easier to build a relationship with people. Until it medyo naging nakakasawa na with me. And then napansin na rin yun ng mga nanonood probably. Kasi it translates also
Mm-hmm.
And then after that, there was like a whole 2 years without knowing what to post. And then I started doing Day in a Life, pero voiceover. And then after posting yung Day in a Life na voiceover, I saw this girl na posted. I started watching sa TikTok yung mga nagma-mic. Sabi ko, pwede
may
ito
lapel na.
naka-mic.
Nauso siya. Almost everyone had a mic.
Yeah, pero no one was
2022,
using it.
Yeah.
No one was using it. I was only watching it from the US. Yung mga nag-gym tapos naka-mic. Sabi ko, gawin ko kaya to, pero nagba-basketball, pero nag-golf. And then, I saw this girl naman, si Kay Chung. TikToker siya. Actually, sobrang fanboy ako sa kanya. Followed her. She followed back. Tapos sabi ko, I love your content. Tapos alam naman niya probably na kinagaya ko yung content niya. In a way, not super gaya, pero basis ko siya.
Right.
Siya yung inspo ko. Whole reason why I'm doing what I'm doing. Ano siya? I saw her videos. So sabi ko, let's mix it. Day in a Life, yung mic, tapos yung editing style ni Kay Chung. So yun. First video ko.
Pinagsama-sama mo siya. Do you recall what you did in your first video?
I recall everything. Very sentimental ako.
Ano yung ginawa mo sa first video mo?
Day in a Life of college student in DLSU. No voiceovers, just mic. After that, Day in a Life na.
Yeah. Tsaka yung effects, dude, yung edit. Dude, how long do you edit your videos? Ako alam ko yun. Sila hindi alam. Ikaw na magsabi.
Nagpa-crash course na si Bailey's dati. 3 hours.
3 hours. Nag-edit siya 3 hours just for... How's the duration? How long is the duration of your videos?
1 minute 30.
At least? Or max?
Well, Instagram kasi maximum 90 seconds.
Right.
So, what I do is I cut it to 90 seconds. But there are instances where I have most.
You exceed. Okay.
Too dagdag, you know.
Tapos 3 hours just to edit 1 minute and 30 seconds worth of a video.
It's like cooking margarita pizza.
Wow. Kasi? Sige. Expound.
Tawa siya. No, it's very simple. But at the same time, it has to be perfect kasi it has to be cooked right.
Yung pala si Roscoe, man. Margarita pizza.
Margarita pizza.
So, ano yung process mo ng pag-edit?
Una, cuts. Watch the whole video. So, there are instances na I have Sunday resets ko, 50 minutes.
50 minutes altogether, bro. Oh, yeah. Makes sense kasi you do a lot of stuff eh.
So, what I do is sometimes... I just close my eyes and then listen to myself. Like, okay, I'll pick this part. And then I speed it up.
Okay.
So parang, okay, I'll cut this part. So ay nakasarado ng mata ko, nakikinig lang ako the whole time.
Bro, that's dedication, bro.
Yeah.
That's true dedication.
Pero mga day na life ko, mga school vlogs, mga 17 minutes,
Yeah.
15 minutes, and then iniisa-isa ko siya. Watch them one by one, pick each part, which is the longest process. Kasi there are instances where I delete a clip and I'll be like, no, but the next clip works with it. I have to bring it back.
Right.
So, what happens is, medyo nagugulo siya. It has to be perfect rin. OC ako eh.
Yeah. Hindi kailangan because you're also telling a story throughout your day and whatever you're experiencing. Pero crucial din yung team, quote-unquote team mo. I mean, you don't do this by yourself. You don't just put a tripod on. I mean, most of the time,
I'm a
you have
one-man
someone...
team. I
Diba?
am.
So, ano yung, sige, sino sila and what, or...
Ako lang nga.
Ikaw lang?
Ako lang
No,
nga.
but you have people shoot your content.
You know, I had a classmate ask me that kanina. How do you do it? Bro, pakapagan lang ng mukha.
You just ask someone.
No, syempre you're not gonna ask someone who's walking.
Right.
Go, bro, can you video me? For example, classroom, you don't know anyone.
Yeah.
Like this year, I don't know that much people. So,
Kasi hindi ka pumapasok. Joke lang. Di naman siguro.
No. Kasi, to be fair, most of the time kasi, mga peers ko, they take classes with their friends. Ako kasi, I like the profs na maayos. So I
Okay.
really don't care if I meron akong kakagagang friend or not. I'll make friends. So ginagawa ko, I just ask, bro, video ako. Or like, bro, can you take a video of me? What is this for, bro? I vlog. Yun. And then be like, oh, really? What do you do? What's your vlog? And I'll show you TikTok. I'll ask them to search. And they're like, okay, sige, I'll help you.
So, ganoon lang siya na, ano lang pala eh, di ba? Pakapalan ng mukha nowadays.
Pakapalan ng mukha.
That's key. And, kita naman kung saan na napunta yung kapal ng mukha niya. Okay, so wait. So, you edit your vlogs day in and day out. Brands come in, collabs come in. That's where you kind of have fulfillment, probably. Alam mo yun, doon mo na...
You know, people are not aware, no? Na may mga brands sometimes.
Yeah.
They're not aware. Because they're... controversial. No, kasi there are instances sa Facebook. For example, sasabihin ng mga tao na yung mga lakad ko, daddy's money, mommy's money.
Oh.
And, you know, my mom sometimes wants to confront those people and tell them na, but si Roscoe naman yung nagpro-provide ng mga lakad niya. Usapan namin ni Roscoe when it comes to school, ako bahala. Pero when it comes to outside, everything na ginagawa mong work-related, everything na lakad mo outside of school.
That's on you.
Yeah, yung mga travels ko, ako yun.
Nag-LU kayo, no? Saya no, nakita ko yung vlog nila na yun. Anyway, so yeah, I mean, like what you said, prior to you entering the content creating industry or world, meron talagang backlash on the other side of things. So, how do you deal with bashing?
Aren't you used to it, though?
I mean, yeah, at this point,
you
kind of
just...
just...
At this time, you're kind of used to it. Pero sometimes, syempre, actually, hindi naman. Okay lang naman. I'm like, nakaka-assert ako sometimes na I cannot voice out what I feel. Like, I want to answer a person, but like, it's better to be the bigger person and not say anything.
Yeah.
It's just, sometimes kasi the information that they're bringing out is not even true to whatever information is presented. So,
Ganun talaga. And how do you deal with it? How do you kind of, you just shrug it off or?
Sometimes may input pa rin naman yung hate. So, pasok tenga, gabas kabila if it's not that useful.
And then, when traction came, so when, di ba, dumagdag na yung mga followers natin, naramdaman mo na, maybe this is really for me. What was your thought process? Like, I'll keep doing this. This is what I want. I actually enjoy this. Or parang...
I was never focused on yung views. Well, sometimes, syempre, magiging conscious ka. But
yeah. Naturally.
That wasn't the main focus on why I wanted to start. It was full on because I wanted to show my creativity. I wanted an outlet for yung creativity ko. Which was perfect rin naman kasi, you know, TikTok does promote creativity. But, nare-restrict din yung creativity mo sometimes sa TikTok. I don't know if you notice.
In what sense?
You think an idea is good and then when you post it, it's not good. Thing is kasi, TikTok, it doesn't only appeal to creativity, but it also appeals to how the people would take it. So no matter how good your idea is, mas mababasag ka talaga ng TikTok if it isn't. Kasi, purely based on what people think yan eh. So, you just have to learn. It's a learning process.
Yeah. So it's not something na when you post something or if you continuously post something super good and super creative na natatanggapin to ng masa or ng audience or whoever market you're trying to cater to.
Kasi you have to appeal to everything eh. Is it entertaining? Does it make your viewers watch? Can you make your viewers stay long? Alam mo, may mga ganun eh.
Yeah.
Like it all boils down also to, is your energy okay? Maganda ba yung ano mo? Is your energy okay or was it like this? If it's like this, okay lang. If it's like that, dito magsa-stop yung mga tao. Gets? It varies. Kaya sometimes, nakakagulo siya pag nag-edit ka. Kasi,
you have to think as a viewer too.
See, hindi mo
It's a
alam
great
yun.
way to- No. I don't, hindi ko maiisip na ganoon din pala mag-isip. Or kung paano ka naisip ko parang edit ka lang kasi...
I'm pretty sure you also think about that, but
Yeah,
usapan
yeah.
natin school.
Yeah, school kasi dapat pag-uusapan. Anyway, so, ayan na. So, tuloy-tuloy siya and yung content mo is about your vlogs and your life. And what other types of content do you parang kind of look forward to sharing besides your DLSU stuff? Kasi nag-branch out ka na from staying in school eh. Tapos biglang dami ng editions. Paano yun nangyari?
Ayoko kasi puro school lang.
Yeah.
Kasi pag puro school, that means I'll be reliant sa school ko. Diba?
Paano pag nag-graduate ka na?
Paano
no?
pag nag-graduate ka na? Anong gagawin mo?
Oh.
So, it varies also. Kasi, day in a life, di ko naman yun naisip until, third year of college? Before that, I was doing something else. I was figuring it out. Just like everybody else.
How about in DLSU? Do you get like, I know this guy? Or like profs know na, I watch you ganun.
Actually, hindi ko lang pwede ko pa i-share. Pero yung si Brother Richie.
Brother Richie!
Message niya ako, bro.
What's up, Brother Richie? Sabi niya.
Parang something related to senior high school na gusto niyang isama ako, I think. Or parang I don't know nga.
Si Brother
I
Richie.
haven't read it properly kasi when I saw the message, I was in class.
Yeah. Okay, so setting aside content creation for a while and its success and more power to Roscoe, of course. Let's get to know you on a deeper level. sila, our lovely audience.
Parang nagkakilala na tayong tagal na namin magkakilala, guys. It's been...
Basta, matagal na. So, you were born and raised here. You grew up in... Saan ka ba? Sa Makati or dito sa
Makati.
Mandaluyong?
He even knows where I live.
Oh, diba? So, sa Makati siya nakatira. Tapos, you went to LaSalle, Green Hills. Tapos, yung nag-GH ka, nag-basketball ka pa, diba?
I was CSA before LaSalle Green Hills.
Nag-CSA ka muna. From what grade to what grade?
Nursery to grade 9. Homegrown na ka CSA.
Oh, CSA ka pala. Tapos, nag-basket ka sa CSA.
Basket ako CSA. Because I wanted more exposure sa basketball.
Kaya ka naglasal.
Wow! Ganun ka rin, no?
Kaya pala siya naglasal Green Hills. Kasi, well, to be fair naman, CSA has a really good basketball program. Pero yung mga sinasaliang liga, not as wide, not as, as LaSalle. So, pumasok ka sa LaSalle, nag-tryout ka. Sino pa yung coach nun that time? Do you recall?
Coach Jacob, Coach Carl.
Coach Carl, okay. So, tryout ka, tapos nakuha ka sa first tryout
Coach
mo.
Vince.
Okay. Anong liga yung
Worked my way
nasalihan?
up. Yung mga minor leagues lang, God Skills.
God Skills. Paya Prada, ganun.
Basketball, I forgot what you call it. God Skills ko yung naalala ko.
Okay. And then, this was grade 9.
Grade 10.
Grade 10. Tapos, grade 11, 12 came. Tinuloy mo pa yung
Tinuloy ko basketball. And then pandemic came, grade 12.
Okay.
And then that's where my life
kind of
took a
turned
big
things
turn,
around, it turned things around. Gets. Pero, after that, you also joined PBB or Kumu? Which one came
Oh,
first?
come on! We don't talk about that chapter.
We have to talk about this. Kaya nga tayo sa podcast eh. So, pandemic came. Ano ba nauna dun?
Okay, here's the thing kasi. Nung pandemic, may era ako before where I used to go live on Kumu. Because yung mga...
We all did, man.
We all did, man. I mean,
We all did.
We all did. Sino ba? Yung mga kabarkada ko, naka-age ko. Yung sila Sean Tristan. Bianca De
Oh.
Vera.
Oh, artista sila.
Artista sila. Sila Andrea Abaya. Yeah, we all went live before on Kumu.
Mga kabatch mo sa PBB.
No, Kumu.
Like in general, sa Kumu. Okay.
And then Kumu had this thing kasi where, may
Campaigns.
campaigns. May campaigns sila where, ano ba? Na if manalo ka dito, magiging permanent housemate ka dito.
Okay.
Kung nanalo sila, sila Amanda Zamora.
I recall, yes, Amanda.
And then, ano ba? Tago ako doon. Top 10 though. Top 10. I made it that
talo
far.
ka, pero top 10.
Na-invite ako noon. Kasi nag-audition din ako. Pero napunta ako doon sa maglalaban sa Kumu. And then, ano ba?
So you entered pa rin, pero as a guest, ganun?
Yeah. Pero meron next na campaign pa yun. Yun yung next campaign.
Okay.
As a guest na yun. Sanaga ako nun. Sobrang dramatic nun. I wish I could show you the videos. But like, I wasn't supposed to win din kasi. Tapos parang I didn't know na I was winning na nun. Kasi I left the live open para kasi mawawagan ako ng wifi, mawawagan ng baterya. So parang last minute, umangat yung ko.
Dayas.
Yeah, so I was like, And then when we saw it, yung moment of truth na lang nun was parang konting-konti na lang yun and we didn't even know if we won kasi my phone was lagging na. So yun, pagkabukas ng phone, celebrate kami ni Sean Tristan. One of the more wholesome moments kasi you rarely see a friend be happier for you in your wins.
That's true.
Sobrang rare lang makakita nun.
This was 2021, right? And then
Keeping track, yeah.
Yeah, did I remember kasi that was the Kumu era.
Right.
So ano experience mo nun? I mean, that was a whole different animal in itself. Kumu campaigns.
It kind of changed me kasi I was really walang filter nun eh. I was really walang hiya. Parang I wanted to pabibo all the time. Na parang it rubbed off to some. Like I was watching myself, I would get cringe. I'm like, brah, shut your mouth, brah. Yeah. So parang it kind of changed me also for the better. I mean, sige, the house was one thing. Being in Kuya's house was one thing. I can't really share that much. Pero for me, as a person in general, as watching me, I'm like, bro, ang dami kong kailangang baguhin. Alam mo yun, I need to calm down a little bit. I have to have a little more class.
Tapos, nandun ka naman. Sige, what did you learn from the whole thing? At least in PBB na lang. What lessons did you carry, your like experiences that you can share?
It was a lot. It was a lot for me kasi I rarely cry nga pero napaiyak ako dun sa PBB eh. Yeah. Kasi it takes a toll on your mental state rin eh.
Being there, no?
Okay.
Wow. In what sense? Na parang
it's kind of overwhelming also eh. Kasi at that time, I felt like it was like a hit or miss eh. If I don't prove myself here, I can't prove myself with anyone sa industry na yan. That's what I felt nun eh.
Yeah.
So.
And then, how did you kind of, how did you overcome?
It was just learning. It was just, hirap kasi. Sobrang general rin kasi ng nararamdaman ko nun eh.
How long were you there?
3 days.
3 days.
See?
But it was already overwhelming.
It was already overwhelming for me.
Yeah.
That was a time nga when I missed like a whole month of school eh. Hindi ka pinayagan ako sa Green Hills eh. Kinausap pa ng vice principal yung
parents mo?
Oo.
Oh,
kasi
tough.
pinipilit nila ako. Sabi nila, we support Roscoe's dreams. Blah, 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 blah. Rarely lang makakita ng kid na actually knows what he wants. So if we see a kid doing like that, blah, 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 we'll take care of Roscoe. Kami bahala.
Yeah.
Just make him go. You don't have to worry about school. Ganun. Like,
thanks, GH.
Diba?
Yeah.
That's cool.
And then, so, after PBB, tsaka ka na nag-explore ng content then?
No, I was exploring content na nung ano.
Yeah, during that time. Sorry, yeah, kasi pandemic. Tapos, pero yung vlogs mo, yung content mo, iba pa nun, yung time na yun.
Oo, puro relatable. May mga instances na nga ng mga couple TikTok ba?
Couple TikTok trends, ganun.
Oo, eh.
Yeah.
May mga ganun pa nga. Tapos may mga instances na I would just follow trends. Just try to make my following go up. Kasi bumaba siya nung nag-BBB ako kasi I missed like a whole month of posting.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. And after that, kind of blew me off track na hindi ko na alam kung saan ako magsisimula again.
So, do you think that content for you is like, you wouldn't say work,
It's not work.
It's also like, lifestyle mo na rin siya.
Lifestyle siya and I just I like documenting my life.
Yeah.
And I feel guilty but I don't get.
I understand, yeah. That's pretty cool, di ba? Kasi even before, sino ba yung kausap natin? Our last, the previous FC, Zuzu, sabi niya nagpo-put out lang siya content. Di naman niya iniisip yung views. Di niya iniisip na this will turn into monetary things or like kikita siya.
Exactly.
Ganun din kay Perlas. So I think yun din yung key if you guys wanna be successful in content, don't think about earning. Except this guy's already earning a lot because of content. So it could be a primary reason for some, but di ba, yun din yung ibang susi para, you know yun.
Here's the thing I had the talk sa UST. I really focused on that. Don't make money your motivation factor. The reason that will... Okay, again, ulitin ko. I had a talk sa UST. Told them na not to make money the reason why you want to do something. Kasi it kind of messes up with your whole thinking eh. It becomes like you're gonna be forced to do... I have to do this because I have to make money. You have to do it because you love doing it.
Yeah.
Pretty basic, cliche, pero...
Yeah.
You're not gonna do well if you're not passionate about what you're doing. Passion is such a what do you call that? Malalim na word eh, na you can expound on it. It's not just parang I love what I'm doing. It's would you do it even sa days na ayaw mong kumilos, you know? Would you love doing what you're doing even if you're tired doing it? Kasi it's an everyday thing eh. To be great at something, you have to be consistent. And to learn, you have to be consistent.
Yeah.
Kasi it's constant growth, diba?
So, would you say, you spoke about passion, initially you entered LaSalle Green Hills to play basketball and then medyo na-crush yung dream na yun because, you know, of the pandemic. So, how did you handle that?
Wala masyadong transition from basketball to TikTok eh. Kasi parang ang bilis lang din ng TikTok ko nun eh. Na I didn't even give basketball a second thought. But, alam mo naman, I'm pretty sure you had those big dreams in basketball before.
Yeah, we all did. Those that felt like they could have made it or that they should have made it. Pero as for you, it's nice that you had an immediate outlet or an immediate platform to kind of, you know, use all that bottled up energy.
Kasi it's more of like accepting it eh. Things happen for a reason. And you do things because it's either for you or it's to teach you a lesson. I'm pretty sure ikaw rin. Kasi kitang-kita ko naman, basketball was not just a sport for you. It was also attitude.
Yeah.
And that attitude, dinaga mo in everything that you're doing.
Yeah.
Gets? So at the end of the day, it wasn't sayang na I spent all this time playing basketball. I played the sport that I love. I mean, I could have done something different. I could have maybe learned an instrument or something. Pero at the same time, basketball taught me attitude eh. It taught me na you couldn't get things easily. You have to work smart. It's not just working hard. Diba?
True. Work hard, work smart.
Dream big.
Dream big, di ba? Roscoe Harvina 2024. Okay, so I don't wanna ask muna kung ano pang next sa'yo. Mamaya na yun. Pero yung time, yun na-mention mo kasi kanina na you went to CSA and then you went to LaSalle. Maybe we could talk about personal stuff. Maybe like, have we ever had relationships?
I knew it!
We have to.
I knew it was bound to get asked.
We have to. So, it's just a yes or no answer. Meron naman.
Ngayon?
Not saying now, if you had one before.
Oh yeah, I was public about it.
You were public about it. Okay, so what was your last relationship?
It was Siriana.
Okay. Pinangalanan pala.
Everyone knows her, bro.
Everyone knows naman eh. Okay, sige. This is the first time in the Stone na pinangalanan ng isang guest.
Really?
Yung ex sila, pare. Okay, so, how long were you and your...
3 years.
2 years?
3 years.
3 years, okay. So, now... so now, you're not dating anyone. Okay, so, dun tayo sa relationship stuff. What does Roscoe find or what do you look for in a girl? I always ask this sa mga guests natin eh, kasi it's always an intriguing question.
I talked about this kanina with my friend.
Nice.
Perfect. Okay.
Practice na
ako. Sabi ko sa'yo, di mo na ako kailangan i-practice eh. Breaking the fourth wall again. Okay, number 1. usually kasi sinasabi nila kailangan maayos yung itsura ng person, blah, 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 blah. But there's a limit kasi to it. You can be the prettiest girl in the world. You can be, super attractive. I can stare at you and then not get sawa. But for me, it's really important na unang-una, maganda yung family. Not necessarily well off, pero
Like family-oriented yung person.
family-oriented yung person. Kasi syempre, here, I told this to my mom also, if you're gonna choose your asawa, no, actually, if you're gonna choose your partner, that partner should be good enough to be your daughter.
Hold on now. So, if you want to
That's
choose...
how you want your daughter to be dapat. If you're gonna choose your partner, ganun
Okay.
din dapat yung daughter mo.
Okay.
So basically, ganun ka innocent dapat. Ganun ka taas dapat yung pangarap. Siyempre, you want your daughter to be successful. Siyempre, you want your partner to be also successful. You want her to be dream big, di ba? There's a lot.
Okay, so there's family-oriented. Someone that, what you said, like, it's hard to simplify it. Na kailangan...
It's hard to simplify it eh. Pero ganun yung analogy.
Okay. But, sa looks naman, I mean, may preference naman tayo lahat sa looks. Meron ka bang pwedeng ibigay?
Ako kasi, yung type ko, siya eh. It's not, I don't have a specified type. It's just, ano nga ba?
More of personality,
Hindi.
character.
I should also like how I am when I'm around the girl. Alam mo yun? Kasi, it depends eh. It varies eh. It varies eh. I don't have a specific type.
Okay.
Oo. Pero syempre gusto mo yung, hindi ko gusto yung super defined na features. Gusto ko yung tipong pwede mong tignan ng matagal and hindi ka magsasawa tignan.
Grabe naman yung mga ganun. Sino ba yung mga ganun?
nga
Makaharap nga
ba?
mga ganun.
But you ka pala yun, right? You ka pala yun, right?
So, ngayon naman, what's something you want to do with your special someone? What's an ideal date for you?
Ooh, ideal date.
These are generic questions that I ask. Pero for some reason, ang sarap niyang tanungin sa mga tao. Kasi everyone, iba talaga eh.
I mean, I've always had the same answer since I was like, a kid. I wouldn't want a date na normal lang. I want to do something. So, if it means going to look at a good view, if it means siguro, looking at the view, nakahiga lang, music, and then you guys are eating something, probably
It's fine.
no, probably fast food. It's more of quality time with the person. Well, the one where you can get to know the person the best.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. If it means siguro, if you want to go-karting, sige, go. Pero if we go-karting kasi, ano yung conversation magagawa natin? I'd probably just end up beating you in go-kart, right?
Yeah.
And you get annoyed. So maybe more on the mga dates where you can actually get to talk
Converse,
to the person.
yeah. So movies medyo not the best.
Not the best. But if you're talking about movies, nang tayo dalawa lang kasi nasa likod ng car and then merong projector doon, yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah. So gusto mo talaga yung nakakapag-usap kayo,
Yeah.
quality time. So safe to say your love language
It's quality time.
Is quality
as much as
time.
possible, ayoko, pero it is quality time. Pero kasi I value my time. So when you know na I give you my time, it's more. Alam mo yun?
So what you're saying is you value your time, but if you give your time to someone, it's ano siya sa'yo, what's the right word for it?
Ay, eto.
Mahalaga siya.
Mhm. So parang, for example, mas important for me, analogy lang ulit. If a rich man gives you things, that's normal. Kahit na gaano ka-expensive. Pero if a hardworking person gives you his time, that's a different story.
Yeah, so ganun ka.
Yeah.
Ikaw si hardworking person. Ako si rich man sana. Pero hindi eh. So, okay, so it's your ideal date, tas yun yung love language mo. And that's what, yun yung preference mo sa gusto mo maging partner or girlfriend. Ngayon, sino kaya?
Sino kaya?
Okay, so
It'll come.
It'll come, diba?
It'll come. The right person will come as long as you work on yourself.
yeah. Okay, so relationship check, content creation check, personal life. How about we ask you how you unwind? What do you do? Because you're a very adventurous person. I mean, halata naman sa very colorful profile of his on TikTok and vlogs. You
Going
explore
places.
and discover life. You do all these things. Paano ka nag-unwind? How do you chill?
I like my alone time. I spend most of my time alone. Kasi how are you supposed to be loved by people if you don't love yourself? You don't get to know yourself the best.
Yeah.
So most of the time, it's all just me thinking. Minsan nakaka-stress siya, pero most of the time, it's just spending time alone.
What do you do when you're alone? Like, do you watch movies or do you listen to music? You read books or?
I can't watch movies kasi madadivert yung attention ko sa movie.
Mm.
That's resting na.
Okay.
Sometimes kasi, when you wanna be alone, you still wanna be productive. So you wanna debrief yourself. Yan, more like that. Debriefing. What I should have done, what I could do.
So it's a form of self-meditation, would
Forward
you say?
thinking lang. Oo.
Yeah.
Keep moving forward.
Wow. All these wise words from Rusto. So, sino sa family mo yung super nasi-share mo ng ganito na
I'm
Na-
really open sa lahat
Yeah.
ng members ng family ko.
yeah, and them in your content, they're very supportive also.
They are. I'm really open to them. Even yung mga baho ng academics, so alam nila lahat.
Ano yung sinasabi nila pag gumagawa ng content or parang let's say it's Sunday and everyone's chilling but you have to do your vlog thing and work. They're super supportive.
They're
They
okay
don't
with
see it as a hassle.
They
Or
don't
something.
see it as a hassle. They would go out of their way to make
To help
sure that
you.
I could get everything done.
Yeah, and that's important.
It is.
No.
Mm.
Ano message mo sa akin?
Masyado naman tayo in the moment sa conversation.
Oo nga eh. So, kasi ang akin lang, parang it's important to have a strong backbone, a foundation. Because you mentioned a while ago na those 3 days dun sa bahay ni Kuya was tough for you already and parang you had to like recuperate and regroup. Pero without a strong foundation or friends or family, mahirap yun to overcome. And what did you do ba? What do you do when you're unmotivated or amotivated to get up for school or to work or to vlog?
It's all about redirection. There are days talaga na you're not gonna be happy to... You're not gonna wake up super energetic. You're not gonna wake up super... super excited for the day.
Yeah.
It's all about responsibility. Alam mo, at the end of the day, that if you allow yourself to feel that way, then you're not gonna be productive. It's all about discipline.
Yeah.
It's not about motivation. It's about discipline. Even in the days na hindi ka okay, you have to push yourself. Kasi, would your future self be happy? Ayan ba yung gugustuhin ng self mo? Siyempre, you wouldn't want to disappoint yourself naman, di ba? It's all just, isipin mo lang, remind yourself on why you're doing this.
Right. And what do you tell yourself pag ganun? Since you...
What do I tell myself if I'm unmotivated? It's more of like, ano mapapala ako if I feel unmotivated? And I'm not gonna do whatever I need to do the right way. So there's nothing good that this will bring out of me. So what do? I'll force myself to be okay. It's all in the head.
Yeah.
Diba nga, sabi mo kanina,
all in
diba
the
you were
head,
tired?
man.
I was like, it's all in the head.
It's all in the head.
Yeah.
Athlete's mentality talaga, no?
It's from basketball.
Yeah, ever since. Iba, even if we don't make it professionally, the values and the practice and the mentality, it's there. Kaya, yun nga, sabi mo kayo, if you had a daughter, pag sa sports mo siya. Okay, so, eto naman. What type of, since we're at the topic of, unwinding and creativity, and I asked you what you do when you do want to debrief or decompress, what types of music do you listen to?
I like water sounds.
You're the type. As in like
Sometimes
rain,
ting.
it gives you, what does it, how do you feel?
Because if you listen to something with lyrics, hindi imbis na nakikinig ka, thinking about yourself, you're gonna be like, I'm
Yeah.
Ano ba? Bakit ako kumakanta? I should be thinking.
Right.
Yeah, it diverts your attention.
So you're the type to want to be alone in your thoughts, and when you're there, yung background
Nobody
mo,
should listen. No, so
Yeah.
should disturb me.
ayaw mo ng lyrics or music or ano. A suggestion though, you could listen to like music with lyrics pero international music. So let's say like Japanese music or like Thai music or Korean music. Kasi hindi mo na-ingest yung lyrics eh. So kung anong binibigay lang din niya, tatanggapin mo lang. Tas wala lang, na-experience ko rin siya one time. So it's a great way to
Actually,
unwind also. So
You should try it. Masaya maging mag-isa.
yeah.
You have to love your own company so that other people can love yours.
And I think it's hindi evident na you enjoy your alone time. Kasi dun sa pinopost mo sa vlogs mo or sa ano, you're always out with
Always out,
everyone.
always
It looks
out.
like I mean, obviously you enjoy, pero yung pala, at the end of the day, gusto mo rin mapag-isa.
There are
understand.
days I work, I go to school Monday, Tuesday, and then there are days na I just Monday, Tuesday ka ako na sa school eh. So other than that, free
What
for
do
all
you
na
usually
ako.
do?
Try to keep myself busy. Depende. Now kasi I can't eh. I injured my shoulder.
Oh, you did? What happened?
Ano ba? I was playing basketball. I was just dribbling. And then there's this guy na biglang sumugod sa akin. Sinundot ako. So, normal. You wanna see the video?
Pwede, pakita natin. Tapos,
Pagkasundot niya, bumaba yung shoulder ko. Nawagan siya ng malay. So, I think I had to pop it back in.
na-dislocate mo?
Hindi eh. I went sa chiropractor. Sabi niya, if it was dislocated, you couldn't do this.
Yeah, and it would hurt.
Yeah. So, probably, may nerve lang siguro na
Natamaan.
naggumanon siya. Namatay yung hand ko.
Oo. Nag-worry ka?
Oo.
Naaning ka ba?
No, it was a split second.
And then you stopped playing.
No, I continued to play.
And then,
I missed the layup. Yeah.
tapos tuloy-tuloy lang pa rin. It's all in the mind, man.
It's all in the head.
It's all in
But
the
I was
head.
like,
Yeah.
yeah.
So mostly sports pa rin. Golf?
I play golf. Sports sometimes, yeah. I dedicate a day for editing.
Okay, you dedicate a day for editing. You don't
And
do
then-
it daily.
I do it daily. But sometimes kasi there are days na gabi, I end up partying.
Yeah, it happens.
I end up partying or like gabi, my friends hang out too long sa condo so I can't edit or like may iba kami lakad na I can't edit.
Yeah.
So lahat ng mga backlogs ko would go on that day. May events. Sometimes events.
That they end late.
Yeah. And then sometimes it's just filming for brands.
Mm-mm.
Depends. Sometimes it's just me. Well, this September, I felt guilty kasi I was home most of the time. I was checking. Guilty. September 1, ginawa ko. 2, ginawa ko. 3, ginawa ko. 4, ginawa ko. And then there were so much days where I was just sitting, not doing anything. No events, no sports, no activities. Just me, trying to be productive.
And they happen. I mean, it's fine when they come.
Yung mga ganon.
Embrace them as they are.
Exactly.
So, moving forward, you're graduating soon, hopefully. Hopefully, if you attend the classes. Tapos, your content naman nandyan yan, tuloy-tuloy lang din. What's next for you? What's next for Roscoe? What do you plan in the next months or year or so?
I don't know, just going with the flow.
Going with the flow pa.
Wherever
Do you plan
life takes me.
what do you plan on doing after college?
Kinda depends. I have to figure out muna what I want so that I would know which direction I should go to.
What are your options?
It depends because I can either go on business, it can either be on my personal self. It can also be kasi business it has different aspects. Merong behind the scenes, merong in the middle, merong naka-forward na business. Would I want to make money more or would I want to focus on whatever makes me passionate? Do I want to travel? It's fun being in your 20s because you don't know what you're gonna do.
Yeah.
And it's all just experimenting. Your 20s are supposed to be for not so your 20s are there because you can't always have it figured out.
Yeah. So, wala. Explore lang tayo. Going with the flow lang siya. But what other things do you want to try to do, at least here in the industry?
Here in the industry, I also haven't given it any thought yet.
Yet.
Mm.
Pero kunyari, let's say, do you want to be a recording artist, a commercial model, an artista, etc.?
Everything is an option. I feel like it would just depend on what I like doing the most.
Okay. Pero in those options, so you won't say no to any of those?
Yeah, I won't.
And what's offered to you?
Although, hindi ko kayang ginagawa mo. Hindi ko kaya mag-host.
Ako? Which one?
Hosting, bro.
Bro,
I
this is
can't.
probably... This is a walk in the park for you.
No, it's
if you
not.
do this.
I can't. I don't know how.
Di mo, ayaw mo subukan?
Bro, may mga instances where, like, I have mga people messaging me na they want to get
To
me
host
as a
a show.
host. Kasi they think kasi na I know how to host because what I'm doing is hosting.
Yeah.
What they don't know is it for one clip, it takes 5 takes. Di ba nga kanina, pinapagsalita mo, ay, sorry, take 2. See, it's,
Yeah.
hindi ako naturally born with that talent. I just try.
Yeah, but the thing with it naman, kaya mo rin yan kasi lahat ng ginagawa mo, ginamit mo lang yung kapal na mukha mo at yun yung susi sa lahat. Diba?
That's true.
all in the head.
It's all in the head.
Hashtag yan.
It's all in the head.
It's all in the head. Okay, so since we're in the world of manifestation, can you give us or can you finish the sentence? Yes. Can you finish the sentence or fill in the blank? Itataga ko sa bato na.
I will continue dreaming big.
Itataga ko sa bato na I will continue to dream big. Is that valid, guys? Are we gonna... Valid ba yun? Dream big? Or parang kailangan mas may diin eh. Yung manifestation eh. Kailangan medyo... For me para sa akin. Diba? Pag sinabi ko naman, gusto ko yumaman, minamanifest ko. Pero paano, diba? So parang ganun siya sa mo eh. So I'm challenging you, man. Itataga ako sa bato na blank. Something more specific.
Kasi ayoko naman sabihin,
Viable.
graduate kasi it's not the end all and be all.
Yeah.
Diba? Ano nga ba?
Kaya
Do you
mo
want it
yan.
to be something physical?
Ako siguro, tataga
Kasi
ako.
all I'm thinking about is attitude.
Okay. So it's very... it's
Yeah.
more of a subjective thing.
Yeah, it is.
Because we're all gonna dream big, man. I'm dreaming big. Most of us dream big. Pero, what are you dreaming? What's that dream nga na gusto mong i-achieve? That's the blank that I'm saying.
Can I keep it general still?
Yeah, itataga ako sa bato na.
Na I will give my 100% at everything na I do.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Roscoe Harvina, palakpakan po natin siya. Any message to your lovely fans or supporters, viewers all over the world?
Please continue watching and following along on my journey, guys.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for hopping on the podcast. For the Cornerstone team, the ITS team, and Roscoe, my name is Bailey Sakot. We'll see you in the next episode of In the Stone. Peace.
I knew it.